going on, folks? NA Designs. Here we go with the upgrades that I said I made to this vehicle. I'm gonna start out with what was in here. I didn't give you a complete rundown. It was 4-gauge wire, kicker 1200, and an ARC audio 600.4. All up 4-gauge wire, no extra battery, none of that. So, not gonna tell you how much the client spent, but you know, we got them situated, got them a battery underneath the hood. You see, we got them set with the big 3 0-gauge Stinger. All right. Didn't like how the door speaker sounded. Didn't have enough highs, so we added some tweaks for him. So, you know, just a little ride around, light duty truck, work truck. Front door, rear door. Show you what we got. Matter of fact, why I did that. So, now before that, the amps were mounted on the back wall, and it was a small box underneath the seat. So, kept the highs amp, got them something a little bit more solid for the bass. Full throttle secondary battery back here just to help out. 0-gauge, of course, you see. And back here, Sundown 3 Sundown SD3s. Right? So, see what you got going on, man. You got a truck. You need something similar, just inbox me. Hit me up. And I'll get you right. Alright? We'll be back with a demo video. Alright? Let me chase you, folks.